Good morning, students from Standard 7 English Medium. Unit 4 Adjectives. I have talked about the different types of adjective, just like the quality, quantity, number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjectives. We can discuss it. Now, talk about the adjective and pronouns. Means the difference between adjectives and pronouns. Let's see what is the difference between adjectives and pronoun. See, here given the two examples, we can learn through the example difference between pronoun and adjectives. See, that story you told me was good. Did you see the new book in the bookstores? I want to buy that. Now see, in these two sentences given here that, and before after that given the story. Okay, let's see. In the first sentence, the word that modifies the noun. This that modifies the noun. Noun what? Story. Whereas in the second sentence, it refers to the noun phrase, the new book. The new book. Did you see the new book in the bookstore? The new book. That in the first sentence is an adjective, where in the second sentence it is pronoun. Why? Because that refers to the story. Story is a noun form, and before that is used. So that is the adjective. In the second sentence, did you see the new book? Means new book is the story. Okay, the new book here. See, in the second sentence, did you see the new book in the bookstore? First sentence, in the second sentence, I want to buy that. Means that here given the word that. What that means? The new book. So describe the noun. Instead of writing this noun, write this means that. So it's a pronoun. Okay. Remember that though demonstrative adjectives and pronouns such as this, that, these, and those look alike, they perform different function in a sentence. These four demonstrative adjectives performs a different function in a sentence. Let's see the here given. Demonstrative adjectives must be followed by nouns. Demonstrative adjective. Example: this bag. Okay, given the bag, noun. Before that, this describe. That pen. So pen is noun. Before that, I use demonstrative adjective. This is how the difference. Demonstrative pronouns are those that replace either a noun or a noun phrase. The new book. Okay, the new book. Noun phrase. Book, noun. Okay, what the difference? I am giving the example here. Okay, see. Some other examples are some, more, such, none, and either. See example: I have 5 pens of different colors. Which one would you take? I want none. Here none word is used. Okay, see, none replace the pens. What none means? I don't want to buy any pens. Okay, I have 5 pens of different colors. Which one would you take? I want none means talk about the pens. I want none. I do not want to buy any pen means none. Okay, so that word is used the pronoun. Instead of saying that I use the word none. Okay, here given: his mother came looking for him. I forgot to bring my pen. I am borrowing his. This his used in the first and second sentence. See, in the first sentence, the word his is followed by a noun. What? Mother. Mother is a noun. Before that, his used. Okay, therefore that is his is in the first sentence. His is used as adjective. But in the second sentence, see what the second sentence: I forgot to bring my pen. I am borrowing his. So his using, instead of writing the things, use his. So what in the second sentence? Pen works as an antecedent. Okay, using of his, borrowing his what? His pen. So using the pen, using only his. So that is the pronoun. Okay. Now see the exercise. Okay, read the following sentences and write whether the underlined words in each case in the an adjectives or pronoun. Also mention what they modify in case of adjectives and the antecedents in case of pronoun. Before that, see here given in the second sentence, see the second sentence, Pan works as an antecedent of his, that is the word refer to the pen that belongs to him. Therefore his in the second sentence is a pronoun. If use the pronoun, then find the antecedent, okay, in a sentence. Let's see here given the first, that bag you are carrying is so beautiful. So here that is used. See, before that bag is noun, and before that use. So that here describe the adjective. What adjective describe bag, okay, in the first sentence. Now comes to the second. Mrs. Rahman asked us to solve this sum. This is so difficult. Now see, in the second sentence, Mrs. Rahman asked us to solve this sum. What? Ask us, there are two sentences in this second number. Mrs. Rahman asked us to solve this sum, means talk about this sum. This is so difficult. What is difficult? This sum is difficult. So here this is used as pronoun. What? Pronoun. And what is the antecedent? Sum is antecedent. What? Sum. Now comes to the third one. In the third one, what would you like to take, tea or coffee? I want neither. See, neither means don't want tea and coffee. So here describe what? Tea and coffee in the first sentence, and I want none means neither tea nor coffee. So neither is used as pronoun. And what is antecedents? Tea or coffee. Okay. In the fourth one, what is this blue thing? Here thing is what? Noun. And before that use blue and that this. Okay. So here this describe as adjective. And what? Thing. That is the answer. Number 5, who are going from our class for Rohan's birthday? He invited none. So none is used as pronoun. What? Pronoun. Okay, and comes what? Our class, means in the class he invited none. Nobody was invited by him, means none. Okay, so that is the pronoun and class describe it. Okay, now comes to the such is my luck. Such is my luck that I missed the bus just by 2 seconds. So here describe what? My luck. So such is used as adjective. Okay, adjective describe what? Describe luck. Luckily. In the 7th one, I love to read those old comics. So here those is used as adjective. What describe? Comics. Okay. Now in the 8th one, what you bought so many white chocolates, do you like those? So here those is used as pronoun. And what it describes? Means the antecedents chocolates. Okay, do you like those? Those means chocolates. Okay, so this is the exercise answers. Okay, now see adjectives formation. How we form the adjectives? By adding suffixes or prefixes. Here given the example and the exercises. Adding suffixes, we make the new adjectives of the given words. Let's see how. Adjectives of quality can be formed from other words by adding a prefix or a suffix to the root words. Here given the word honest, interesting, hazard. Dishonest, adding dis, uninteresting, hazardous. that is the word add adjectives: skillful, troublesome, and whitish. So adding suffixes and adding prefixes and making the adjectives, this is how we make it. Okay, let's see the exercise what given here. Make new adjectives by adding these suffixes. Here given the suffixes. Which suffixes we add? Able, al, ish, less, us, and y to the word given below. Here are the words given below, and we adding what? These things. Okay, here given England. So what we add? ies. What is the word given? England. So we can say that English. This, remove this thing, ENGL, and add IS, English. And we can also say the Englandy, only Y adding, but here English. Now accident is the word. So accident is the word, and we add what? We add accident is the word, we add only AL. Accidental is the adjective. Now storm. Storm is given only Y you add, and word form adjective stormy. In the meaning, so what you add? Only this one, LESS. LESS, meaning less. Danger is given, so you use that what? OUS, dangerous. That is the adjective. And girl is given, so you add girlish, ISH, girlish. Outrage is given, so you here add OUS. Okay, then the word spine. Spine, then you add LESS, spineless. Red is given, so radish is the adjective. Now next, see here given what? Here given care. So what you add? Here you add LESS, careless. Fame is given, so famous, OUS. What the word? See, FAM, then OUS, remove E. Okay, then the word herb, so add AL, herbal is the adjective. Harm is given, so harmless, the word is harmless. Advice is given, ADVIS, and remove E, and adding what? ABAL, advisable. Then the word is yellow, so adding what? Adding only ISH, yellowish. Then full, adding IS, become the word foolish. Contempt, then adding what? CONTEMPT, then adding what? OUS, contemptuous. Then the last word fault. Fault is the given, adding what? Adding only Y, faulty is the word, and making the adjective by adding suffixes. I think you know how to make adjectives by adding suffixes, and you already understand about the adjectives and pronoun, difference between adjectives and pronoun. Here given the answer of this thing. See, adjective carrying what? Bag. In the second sentence, pronoun some, describe pronoun tea or coffee, adjective thing, pronoun class, adjective luck, adjective comic, and pronoun chocolates. Okay, and here are the answer of this adjectives adding these suffixes: English, accidental, stormy, meaningless, dangerous, girlish, outrageous, spineless, radish, and here careless, famous. Remove what? Remove E here, he. Okay, then herbal, harmless, advisable, remove E. Then yellowish, foolish, contemptuous, and faulty is the answer. Okay, so this is how we make by adding suffixes. Thank you for listening.